Come test drive the 2024 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, sunroof package, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.